Hi my friends, and welcome back. I'm George Pearson. I do want to thank you for watching. This video is about a website called Pay.com, and it's just something I want to share with you because I've had very good luck with Pay.com, and I believe it's a site that a lot of people are just simply not aware of. So since it's a lesser known affiliate center, that's the main reason why I'm sharing it with you. It works virtually the same as most any other affiliate network. Join the network and then you have access to all the different affiliates. And one of the things that I find about the products on Pay.com is that some of the products tend to sell themselves, which makes it easier for you and makes it easier for me in order for us to get those clicks and to make those sales. And a lot of the products are what are called residual income. They're the kind of products that pay you month after month, and that's something that I love. I have quite a number of products that pay me month after month after month, and it goes directly into your PayPal account. And what's going to happen there is that after you start sending money into the PayPal account, PayPal's going to send you a debit card. At least they did with me. Once you get a certain amount of money in there, they want you to spend it. You can use your PayPal debit card just like any other credit card. So if you want to go buy something, you can pull out the debit card and buy it. But it makes getting paid a little bit easier. So if you haven't tried Pay.com yet, you'll find a link below. I do not believe there is a way for me to make money by you joining Pay.com. If there is, that's not what I'm looking to do anyways. What I simply want to do is share another way for you to make money in a way that might be a little easier than some of the ways that you've been trying. Hopefully this will help you if you're struggling to make money. Joining Pay.com, check out their products, and what you're going to find about the products, that a lot of these products are the kind of products that people are actually searching for. So you're not trying to sell something to someone that they may need, they may not need, they might want it, they may not want it, they're not sure. These are products, many of these products are products that people are actually searching for. So you already have a buyer that is actually looking to buy. That's one of the other advantages that you're going to discover, is that the products are quality products, because I keep getting these checks month after month after month. So people aren't using these products and they're no good. They're using these products and they're sticking with them, getting checks and more checks, and that's what I want to be able to help you with. So this is a way that maybe you can get some checks and some more checks and some more checks and maybe a PayPal debit card and so on. And one of the things that I discovered quite a long time ago is that making money online is fun. It really is fun. I really enjoy it. But I also know that when you're not making money, it takes most of the fun out of it. I'm hoping that this will not only help you to make money, and to put some fun in making money online. If you like this video, I hope you do. Give it a big thumbs up. Do that right now. And while you're at it, if you haven't subscribed, for goodness sake, hit that subscribe button. Smash the subscribe button and ring the bell so that you're going to get notified when these videos are published. Thank you. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. I appreciate you. Allow me to wish you much success.